Hi, welcome to the channel. So today I have pulled this out of my store's archive. It's a Hornby Dublo R1. I think the part number is 2206. First introduced in 1959, and the model was continued right through until Wrenn Railways bought the assets, and then Wrenn continued to manufacture this right up until they were sold to Depot. So this locomotive was being manufactured right up until around 1990, I would guess. I don't believe this is the Wrenn variant. It looks too old to be Wrenn, but it's identical to the Wrenn model. Now I'm going to put on some power onto this. I think I already know the answer. It's on full power, and we'll give her some juice. That's not on full power, nothing, so let's see if there's any life there. No. So she's a non-runner. So yeah, I'm gonna take it apart and give it a full service and see if we can breathe some life into it.